All right, Reagan family. So we are back again here in Oak Forest. We're looking at a Jamestown Estate Homes. This is a new construction property about 15 minutes away from downtown Houston. This one's going to have 5 bedrooms, 5.5 bathrooms, 4,899 square feet. And this is absolute luxury. The one thing you're noticing from the exterior of the property is that you do have this stucco exterior, which I absolutely love. And then the one thing you are noticing as well is this large, oversized door right here. It's a pivot door right here. And then what we'll do is we'll start right here in the formal dining room. And inside of here, you're going to have engineered wood flooring, which I absolutely love. And I mean, just the amount of luxury inside of this property is spectacular. So you do have this large dining room table. As you can tell, you can easily fit 6 to 8 people here comfortably, and this will be Thanksgiving, anything like that. And then right here to the right, whenever you enter the property, you're going to have this large oversized study. So you do have your French doors right here. The engineered wood flooring extends in here, and it's absolutely beautiful. You have this built-in shelving area right here. You have your cabinetry. And keep in mind, folks, this is something that you're going to be able to purchase right here, right now. So a lot of times you might see some of these model houses and you say, hey, for that price, do I get all these upgrades and custom features? And you absolutely do with this one. So this right here is going to be connected to your kitchen right here. In your great room, you have the sliders right there. You have this electric fireplace, which I absolutely love. You have plenty of space. Now, the one thing I'm noticing, and it's a common theme with this one, is it's an entertainer's dream. So if you can imagine having all your family inside of here, you have this large oversized island with your breakfast bar. You have your quartzite countertops, plus you have granite over there with the pot filler wooded. You have the stainless steel range hood with all that cabinetry. Oh my goodness. And thank you so much, Tani. Look how beautiful this is. Look at this. This is an absolute entertainer's dream. Just even going into the covered backyard. I mean, goodness gracious, look how much space you have. This is an extended covered patio right here. Look, you have all that yard space. And keep in mind, folks, this is Oak Forest. So a lot of times you may compromise some of that yard space, but definitely not in this property right here. And so what we'll do is we'll continue along. This right here is your breakfast nook area. So if you remember, you have your formal dining room, plus you have your breakfast nook area, and you definitely have plenty of space. Right here is going to be your powder bath. You have your floating countertops right here. Look how much room you have in here. And not to mention, you have a full-size closet right here to add any linens inside of here, or any amount of toweling, just in case if you do have some guests that are staying over, this will be perfect for you. So continuing along, if you notice, you have a secondary access. So we came in through the front door, but you have access right here to your garage. And not to mention, look at this study area. Wow, I absolutely love this. So if you think about it from a standpoint, if you do have kiddos and this every single day they come home from school, this will be perfect. You have 2 areas right here for your desk, and it extends from wall to wall. And not to mention, you have your floating shelving as well, which I absolutely love. This is fantastic. And then, of course, this is your mud room coming in from your garage. And then you do have a coat closet right here as well. And I'll just show you the garage. Look how much space you have in here. So if it's one of those things where if you want to add epoxy flooring later on, you really don't need to. But if you notice, you have access to go to the covered backyard patio. Not to mention, you have 2 access points right here. So this is perfect. And then continuing along, look at this. Oh my goodness. You have another cover, and this is a carport right here. What is it? Porte-cochere. Okay. There, look at this. Oh my goodness. This is a stunner, folks. You are not going to want to miss out on this one. And then not to mention, if this is something where you love these upgrades, I mean, it's first come, first serve. I was talking to Tawny, and there's some people that may be interested in it, so you don't want to delay. Every single day, they're holding this property as an open house, and folks are extremely interested just because of the upgrades and the amount of luxury that you have. And not to mention, folks, I've showcased Jamestown Estate Homes on this channel a couple times, and I know I get a lot of feedback, and a lot of people absolutely love that. I have a buyer right now that's about to go under contract in Waller, Texas. The one thing that they said they wanted was to be a little closer to the city, which this is absolute perfect. Now, look at this. So inside of here, you have a nice pantry. Look at all the space that you have inside of here. The one thing I love is that it's off-centered from the kitchen. So that way, and it's right here, quite frankly, you just go right around the corner and you can access this. You can even use this as a working pantry. So I love that. And then even right here, you have a full-size bedroom and a full-size bathroom attached to it, folks. So this is something that I have not seen, but I absolutely love. Not to mention, even right here, look at this. You even have a full-size walk-in shower. You have quartz countertops. You have this stainless steel mirror framing with the stainless steel lighting fixture. And look at this, folks, a full-size walk-in closet with plenty of storage space. I absolutely love this one. Quite frankly, we have not seen something as custom as this, but as elegant as this. And you are one of the first folks to see this. So what we'll do is we'll continue up here. The one thing I can't wait for you folks to see is the Juliet balcony, not to mention the game room as well. You have another balcony, and it's a full-size balcony. So we'll continue along. Right here is another full-size bedroom with the bathroom attached to it. You have the LED ceiling fan on top. You have plenty of space inside of here, which is perfect because sometimes you may want to add a king-size bed, a full-size bedroom set, and you don't want to have compromised space. And you have your shower tub combo. You have this shower niche right here, which we really don't see that quite often with the shower tub combo, but I absolutely love that. So even continuing along right here, you have another bedroom. You have your stainless steel ceiling fan on top. You have a full-size bathroom again with the quartz countertops, shower tub combo, and not to mention, you have a nice size closet inside of the bathroom. And I absolutely love that. Let's continue along, folks, and I can't wait for you to see the game room and the primary bedroom. So right here, this is your full-size game room. You have your tray ceilings over here. I absolutely love this. And not to mention, look at the balcony. Look how much space you have up here. Like I said, folks, this is an entertainer's dream. So no matter how large your family is, or if you have friends that come over quite often, you can easily entertain them downstairs, as you saw, not to mention upstairs as well. And then even right here, you have a full-size closet. You know, you could easily add in your twister, your Scrabble, anything like that. And what I'll do is I'll open the balcony so that way you can see how much space we're working with. And look how beautiful this is. And not to mention, they didn't even compromise on the space in here. This is absolute perfection. Look how much space you have over here. Easily looking down. If the kiddos have the trampoline or maybe a playground set down there, you can easily keep your eye on them while you're watching NFL Sunday. So I love that. Not to mention this elegant ceiling fan over here. Plus, you easily can have your wine cooler right here. You can have maybe some bottles of champagne or even a popcorn machine right here. That is perfect. And I absolutely love the chandelier coming down over the foyer. You even have the tray ceilings over there as well. And then you have another bedroom right here. Plenty of space. The engineered wood flooring continues up here. And you even have a closet with plenty of storage shelving up here as well. Perfect for any size wardrobe, especially for folks that are gonna be up here. If you wanna have this as a secondary guest room or even the kiddos' bedroom, this is perfect. Even right here, so you're gonna have quartz countertops throughout every single bathroom. And not to mention, you do have it on the waterfall countertops that we saw downstairs. And then you have another full-size closet again. And then what I want to show you folks is the primary. But this is where your utility room is going to be. If you notice, you have this upgraded cabinetry right here. And like I said, folks, that's the one thing I absolutely love about this one, is the price that you see is what you get so far with this one. And if it's something where you want to close and you want to make sure that you get a good deal, reach out. We'll definitely get you taken care of as soon as possible, and you'll definitely be in the right hands. Look at this large oversized primary closet right here that connects to the utility room, which a lot of folks love. Not to mention, they even added this full-size dresser right here. So you can easily store your ties in here, anything that you need. And look how much space, even just from the floor to the ceiling, for any size wardrobe, you're definitely covered. Plus you have this built-in mirror right here to look at yourself before you go to work or go to church or anything like that. And this is the full-size primary bathroom. Look how beautiful this is, folks. You have the beautiful chandelier with the tray ceilings, his and her sink. And the one thing I really love about this is you have the vanity area right there. Not to mention, you even have this LED mirror right here, so you can control the lights in here easily. And I absolutely love that. Plus you have another walk-in closet. So fellas, this will be for you right here, most likely, just because, you know, the ladies, they want to make sure that they have enough room for their wardrobe. Plus it had the built-in mirror in there, which is absolutely fantastic. And even inside of the primary bathroom, you have this oversized soaking tub. You have this large shower. Look at this. You have 2 shower heads plus a waterfall shower head, not to mention a built-in shower bench. You got 2 windows right here for natural light. And then look, you have 3 controlled temperatures right there. Wow, I absolutely love that. Even the tile shower surround, which is fantastic. And of course, right over there, you have your toilet. But we'll continue along. And this is the beautiful primary bedroom. Look how much space you have in here. You have 2 window nooks, and then you have that Juliet balcony right there. You absolutely cannot go wrong with that. And just look how much space you have inside of here. And just for reference, folks, that's a king size bed with 2 nightstands. And this is how much space you're working with. So no matter how large your bedroom set is or how much furniture you want to add in here, it definitely will not look cluttered at all. And quite frankly, this is a fantastic property. Even, you know, being 48.99 square feet, and you're on an 86.46 square foot lot, which is, oh my goodness, absolutely fantastic. And then even right here, you have a nice area. This is perfect. You can add some more storage space in there. Maybe if you want to add some luggage, if you don't want to add that in the primary closet. So I absolutely love that. And not to mention, this is almost like a Sputnik chandelier right here. I love that. And if you can just even imagine on a nice summer day like this, you really don't need to have the lights on whatsoever, just because of the amount of natural light that comes inside of here. So I love that. Not to mention, you have this Sub-Zero fridge right here. Wow. Now this is absolute perfection, folks. So that, folks, is the Jamestown Estate Homes. You will not want to miss out on this.